Hello and welcome to this episode of Product of the Week. I'm your host, Robin Mitchell. In today's episode, which I nearly forgot about entirely because I can't read, we will be looking at, thank you Richard, the Nano 33 BLE Sense REV2, now with headers. The Nano 33 BLE Sense REV2 is Arduino's answer to a Bluetooth Nano-type microcontroller board. With the additional integrated sensors and other pretty impressive features, which we will talk about later, this board is ideal for creating IoT and low-energy projects. Thus, this board is basically a souped-up Arduino Nano with features that will leave you shocked. If you're wondering what makes this board awesome, you only have to look up the chip that controls this board. Thanks to its ability to run TinyML, which is AI, the Nano 33 BLE has more intelligence than poor old Luke, the cameraman who is currently looking at me funny. And when combined with the various onboard sensors, you can imagine that this board is capable of more than your everyday Arduino Nano. Another feature that makes this board absolutely awesome comes from the fact that it is pin compatible with the previous Nano boards. This means that you can remove older Nano boards from existing projects and replace them with the Nano 33 BLE. To make things even more brilliant, the engineers of Arduino decided to make the onboard 5V source disconnected on the Nano 33 so you can't accidentally blow stuff up when transitioning from a Nano to a Nano 33. If you want to enable the 5V pin source on the Nano 33, you need to make a solder bridge between two specific solder pads and provide power via the USB port. To start, at the heart of this board is the nRF52840, an excellent vintage of the Nordic wine selection. The perfectly aged chip boasts an impressive 64 MHz ARM Cortex-M4 with an FPU, and the combination of this powerful processor and 1 MB of flash and 256 KB of RAM allow it to run things like TinyML algorithms. Furthermore, the nRF52840 supports Bluetooth 5.3, allowing for modern Bluetooth devices to be designed. On the Nano 33 BLE REV2 board are a multitude of different sensors, including a 9-axis inertial measurement unit for acceleration and gyroscopic purposes, magnetometer for measuring the Earth's magnetic field in all 3 axes, digital microphone, proximity and gesture detection, barometric pressure sensor, and last but not least, a combined temperature and humidity sensor. All external digital pins have interrupt capabilities, which provides maximum design flexibility, and with a total of 14 digital I/O, 8 analog and 5 PWM pins, there isn't much you can't do with this thing. Finally, the maximum input voltage of the Nano 33 BLE REV2 is a whopping 18 volts, with a limit of 21 volts. So you will unlikely be able to damage this thing from overvoltage unless you are a total idiot and want to see if you can jumpstart this thing from the mains. So, what can you do with this board? Well, the short answer is anything that a Nano can do and much more. One excellent use case for this board is as an IoT Bluetooth sensor, using the various onboard sensors to record the immediate environment and then send this data via Bluetooth to a smartphone or a gateway. This could include smart lights, smart blinds, smart kettles, and even smart zappers, which you can attach to unsuspecting people and give them a nasty shock should they go into close proximity to something you care about, such as cookie jars or your own personal space. Another possible use for this board is as a gesture controller. If turned into a wearable device, it is possible to combine the many sensors along with the TinyML engine to create a device capable of recognizing what actions you are doing. This could be used to control other devices, record data for medical purposes, or even be used in a VR/AR system. But the backwards compatibility of this board with the older Nano boards means that it can be also used as an advanced drop-in replacement. The increased capabilities allows older Nano designs to be given a new lease of life without needing to redesign the whole system from scratch. In fact, so long as your original Nano code only uses the Arduino standard library, you won't even need to make code changes. The Nano 33 BLE REV2, now with flavor, headers, is an exceptional development board that brings in the power of advanced Bluetooth, AI, and sensor capabilities to the Arduino range. Its small size and pin-compatible design means that it's the perfect choice for those looking to move away from older nano boards, and the modern features in this board makes it super ideal for any sensor project you can think of. If you like what we do here and want to support this channel, then consider heading over to the Electromaker store, where you can find this and everything else you could possibly need for your next project. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.